Hi, Laura Cross here at the Sydenham today, which is a luxury waterfront condominium residence located in the heart of Owen Sound. Built with historic elements, this condominium offers so many extra amenities, such as a media room, gym, rooftop terrace, and even a floating dock. Welcome to Unit 203, one of the few units in the building that offers its own private elevator access into your own personal lobby. Welcome to this incredibly elegant living spaces in this unit. Whether you want to host a few dinner parties, relax with family and friends, or just take in those spectacular views. There's nothing like having a primary bedroom with beautiful water views, access to that expansive balcony, large walk-in closet, and beautiful ensuite. This unit offers a second bedroom with a large closet, which of course can be fashioned to whatever you may need to suit your lifestyle. Finishing off, we've got the 4-piece bath and your own personal in-suite laundry. There is so much more to explore with this building. Let's go take a look at the media room and gym. I just love that with this building, you're not limited to your own unit. You've got this great space which you can utilize for family and friends, hosting events. We've got indoor and outdoor living spaces. What an amazing bonus. If keeping active and healthy year-round is important to you, we have this excellently outfitted gym just down the hall. You may be in need of a little bit more space, and the Sydenham has thought of that. Each unit has its own individual locker space. Each space comes with its own private parking space in this heated underground garage. You're never going to need to worry about getting snow off that vehicle anymore. And we've got an added bonus of an electric charging port for your vehicle. With lots of storage for kayaks here, you can take advantage of being on the Sydenham River by going down and launching that kayak and heading straight into Georgian Bay. I just love being this close to the water. I don't think I could ever tire of these views, whether it's the Sydenham River or up on the 7th floor terrace looking out into the mouth of Georgian Bay. This property is steps away from fine dining, shopping, arts, and culture. It is the heart of Owen Sound here. Give us a call today. This place could be the starting point for a brand new lifestyle. It is a must-see.